Hello, everyone. Welcome to AnyTechMeta's Metaverse demo video. If you didn't receive a welcome email from AnyTechMeta, make sure you head to a link that I shared in the description and register for it. And those of you who already received the demo email from AnyTechMeta, please open up your email. When you click on this link, you will be headed to this page. This is our Metaverse page, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how everything works. So, in the first step, you can see in this box you can choose your avatar. This is powered by Ready Player Me. If you want to save your avatar, please log in Ready Player Me. So you can use your avatar or save it for future purposes. So for this example I'm using masculine body. You can select according to your preferences, and I'm going with default avatar. You can select any, or you can take your time to create your personal avatar. It will take no time to load. So sit back. Now, when it's loaded in, it will ask for your permission to allow microphone on your browser. Please make sure you allow microphone access, so you can talk to other player which is existing in the metaverse. If you don't allow your microphone in the starting phase, you have to allow it in Google Chrome settings. You can look around by clicking your mouse and dragging it on the window. And you can see on the top corner there is an option. You can see how many players are in Metaverse, and on a ground you can see a dome. When you click on this dome, your character automatically will be moved to it just like a magnet. So you can see the room just like developers intended it to be. Now you can see there is a lot of option on a screen. And most options are available on the bottom of a screen. First there is an AnyTechMeta logo, and second is there is a pill shape icon with an arrow mic and a gesture icon. So let's get started with this arrow icon. This is your audio settings. When you click on it, you can see multiple options. Let's click on it and see what are those options. When you click on it, you can see there is a microphone option. The second option is mute your microphone, and third is mute others. In this condition, I am the admin, so I have an option to mute others. Other users might not have this option. You can mute your microphone as per your choice, and on the above option you can see there is an option to choose microphones which are attached to your computer. For this example, I'm using a microphone from NVIDIA Broadcast. You can know more about this option by clicking on a question mark or just clicking on cross to close the pop-up. And here's a mute and unmute button, which is the microphone itself. And here's a gesture button with this hand. There are a lot of gestures. You can use any gestures to express how you are feeling or given a response or feedback. Now you can see on this side there are multiple icons. There's an icon for your perspective. And there is a question mark icon, and there is a full screen. So in a settings icon you can see there is a lot of option. For example, HD, UHD and Ultra. Please make sure you have an appropriate machine to using this preset, because these require resources and enhance the quality of your experiences. On Eyes icon you can see multiple visions. For example, first person, third person, second person. You can choose any mode you want. For this example, I'm about to show you gestures, and how these works. So I'm going to use third person, so I can see my avatar. You can see here is my avatar. Now I'm going to select a gesture. The below icon turned into an infinity sign. So it will go on continuously throughout the whole session. But when you hover on it, it turned into cross. So I can stop my avatar from doing gestures continuously. Now we came back to first person back again. When you click and drag your mouse on screen, you can see you can move around. Now, when you are confused, and you don't know what are the controls, you can refer to the user manual which are linked below. Or you can click on the question mark icon, which is a help icon, to know more about control. So there is a first option which is a general control. You can click on your mouse and drag your cursor around the window, so you can see what is happening around you. And on the second option you move around using your W, A, S and D keys, which are on your keyboard, or your arrow keys. And there is third one is interaction. You can click on objects to interact with them. Many object has videos, images, or link to other resources. So when you are clicking on an object you might get redirect to some other website or some other space which are connected to your existing one. Now on a second tab. See behavior of every key which you can use within this program. Please make sure you go through all these keys for better metaverse experience. Let's explore the space. This is a very beautiful space. As you can see, there are many stalls and beautiful models within the space. Now here is Standees, which has embedded videos in it. That is it for this demo. If you are facing any other issue, please make sure you reach out to the support team.